Hi Jamie, my name's Gary Ozine. About 2 weeks ago I sent you a letter about the problem I've had with your bank. The problems began long before you arrived at Chase. But essentially in 1998 I got a loan from Ameriquest. It was sold immediately, and at first Lehman Brothers was the beneficiary, and then later on it was Chase Manhattan. Then at a particular point I was trying to keep a fire sprinkler business going. I had been in the business just a few years. My background was more in computers, and so I was trying to make a go with this, and so I was using the bankruptcy court to try to help me level out the feast and famine way that were paid. And so at any rate, during one of these bankruptcy proceedings, the trustee, which was a law firm, sold it to an individual, the O'Neills. I showed up, and oh my goodness, but they still issued him a deed. When my lawyer called them on it, oh, sorry about that, we'll take it all back. But they never did anything with the deed. This sat there like a time bomb for that case, and then another case. And then when that case was done, they started foreclosure again. I got a new loan, but I couldn't close it because it was still in the O'Neill's name. Then I went to the court, and the court seemed to be ready to help me, but then for some reason changed their mind. And your attorneys, the attorneys for Chase Manhattan and Ocwen, poisoned the well. And then once I was out, even trying to just instead of just you know, taking it out of the O'Neill's name so I could finish my refinance, they sold it again. And then in 2 days after they won the eviction case, then they rescinded the O'Neill deed. And I've been fighting this ever since. There's some things as Americans that just change your life. This is one of them. If somebody steals your home, no matter what you were doing before then, you're going to fight that, and that's what I'm doing. I had hoped when I got a real quick response from your letter that, well, for a good week I walked around thinking that this was going to work out good, because I'm tired of being or trying to be a lawyer fighting this, because we're still battling it out. And so then when I talked to your agent, very nice gentleman, who I could tell that the decisions that needed to be made couldn't be made by him. So anyways, then I've decided to I looked at a lot of the videos they have on you on the internet, and you seem like a real great guy, somebody that I would sure vote for to run arguably the world's biggest bank. So I'm very happy about that, because I don't know what's been going on in the business world, but you just follow the press for the last few years, and holy smokes, integrity and these ideals. I haven't seen that stress since I was back at UNIVAC, or my earlier days. Certainly I didn't see any ethics training at Microsoft, and certainly not in the fire protection trade. So at any rate, that was very encouraging. Before this goes too long, I just want to ask you to get involved enough to look at the facts, and then to do the right thing, the way you would treat you would want your mother or your father treated. All right? All right, thanks, Jamie. Bye-bye.